Welcome aboard one of Aquila's newest models, the 42. My name's Kip Beaudry, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough. We hope you enjoy. Here we are on the transom of the 42 Aquila. The first thing you will see is we have a dinghy davit set up with a platform for your inflatable tender. The crane comes out, lifts it up. It's a very nice system. The boat's sitting it right at 21 feet wide, so you have ample space to walk around both sides. As you walk up into the cockpit of the 42 Aquila, the first thing you will see is ample space. Again, being 21 feet wide, the cockpit's enormous. Large seating, large table, lots of entertainment area before you go into the main cabin. This particular 42 is powered with the optional D4 300 Volvo Pentas. Your standard propulsion is the D4 230s. Before we make our way inside, the 42 is meant for entertaining. With your glass opening up, your bar stools outside, you can also bring the party in and out. As you walk through the main salon door, the first thing you'll see off to the starboard side is your stacked refrigerator freezer. And off to port, a very large galley with ample storage throughout. As we come forward into the main salon, you will see a large U-shaped seating with a table that drops down, making it another bed for multiple guests aboard the 42. And here we are at our lower helm. You have the same controls down low as you do up in the Flybridge. We'll start left to right, your VHF radio, your Fusion Apollo head unit, your switching system from Aquila, your autopilot, your Volvo Penta gauges, your Marine Axiom hybrid touch, your start stops, and your Volvo Penta controls. Here we are in the port side berth on the 42. I would call this the master. Reason being is for the space. Your berth is aft and your head is forward, but notice you also have a little study desk here. Lots of space for a 42-foot boat. And here we are in the starboard side cabin, or stateroom, and you will see your bed is forward and your head is aft. Still, lots of storage for multiple nights if you'd like to stay on the 42 Aquila. We're standing in the forward cabin, which is the third stateroom / cabin on the 42. It is an option as well. You have your bed that's perpendicular to the hulls. You also have a go in dirty, come out clean washer and dryer, and a complete head off to starboard. Here we are in the Flybridge of the 42 Aquila. I would call this my favorite place. Why? For the entertainment side. Large L-shaped seating, your tables here for dining, your cooking area behind the helm itself. You have a grill, a sink, and your refrigerator down below, and multiple spots for storage. As we come to the helm, you will see everything down below is also up top. From your autopilot to your Marine chart plotter, to your bow thruster controls, to your throttles, you have it all. And we've come from our Flybridge down the steps to the forward bow. Easy access for docking, or if you just want to come down here and watch the sunset on your 2 sun pads that come from the factory. We would like to thank you for joining us aboard the all-new 42 Aquila. Please like and subscribe for more video and content, and come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.